let's keep these numbers simple, and we're gonna say, let's say you make $10 an hour, okay, low income, and you're bringing $1,600 a month, okay, assuming that you work 40 hours a week. Now we'll get into overtime, but let's just keep it at 40 hours a week. Or if you do overtime, if it's not consistent, you don't want to calculate that in your income. You always want to keep your base pay because you never know if a company will allow you to work overtime each and every time. I've seen it happen too many times where people get paid overtime and they adjust their bills to that overtime pay by raising their bills higher. And then when their boss or anybody comes in, they're like, hey, we no longer can do overtime. Now they have a bunch of bills that's over their base income. So make sure you just work with your base income. So $10 an hour at 40 hours a week is going to give you $1,600, that week or that month for the whole entire month. Okay, so we got the income here at $1,600, and we got our expenses. And let's just put some random numbers down. Now, a lot of people don't really have money. Statistics say that most people, I think it's like 6 out of 10 Americans, won't even have $500 in their savings account if something bad was to happen. Usually they either borrow the money from somebody else or they potentially use a credit card if they even have enough for that credit card. So we're going to go to our expenses and we look at the rent is $800. You got our car note that's $200. You have the insurance that's $100. You have credit card that's $50. Gas and groceries $300. Phone is $100 and internet is $50. You have no money left. No money left. You need to have money to put in your savings account, okay? Here's how we can fix that. Here's some hacks that we can use that I would have never even known, and I keep up with this so much. I even still find ways to this day that I make more money and was able to put myself in position to find ways to lower my expenses so I can save more money to do what I would like to do as far as investing or anything like that. And that's the goal that you want to be able to do. You want to be able to invest. You want to be able to, if you have money to put away for your kids' college or anything like that.